Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's a drone. Simply put, a drone is an unmanned aircraft, a flying robot that can either be controlled remotely or fly autonomously. Technically, drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, and they were historically associated with the military, but now drones are used for personal, commercial, industrial, and governmental purposes, including surveillance, weather scanning, search and rescue operations, photography, agricultural monitoring, and commercial deliveries. Drones have even become popular kids' toys. There are two primary drone platforms, rotor and fixed wing. Rotor drones can have 3, 4, 6, or even 8 rotors, or propellers, on the frame, while fixed-wing drones more resemble airplanes. The growth of the Internet of Things and integration of drones has created numerous enterprise use cases. For instance, emergency services can survey wildfire areas to determine the extent of damage. Insurance companies can monitor properties for claims and policies. Energy companies can survey power lines and operational equipment, and television networks can capture flyover footage for news, sports, and traffic. Rapid drone adoption has sparked privacy, security, and safety concerns, and the Federal Aviation Administration has issued a number of guidelines, policies, and restrictions on personal and commercial drone use over the past decade. Mandates to drone operations specify where, how high, at what time of day, and how far drones can fly, among other restrictions.